Good evening students, how are you all? I am Shivani Sharma, teacher of DIP school, going to teach you something related to science. Lastly, we have done reflection, laws of reflection related to topic light. Today we will do a simple topic, that is dispersion of light. I will tell you what is dispersion of light. Firstly, we will do the definition of dispersion of light. And what is dispersion of light? Dispersion of light is the phenomenon of splitting of beam of white light into its 7 constant colors when passed through a transparent medium. Thus, the spectrum is a band of 7 colors which is obtained by splitting of white light by a glass prism. As the definition explains, what is dispersion? As you know, sun give us light. But what color of light sun give? Sun give us white light. White light is a mixture of 7 colors. 7 colors you know Vibgyor. That is violet, indigo, blue, green, red, orange, etc. Vibgyor. That is a combination of 7 colors. White light is a combination of 7 colors. When this white light pass through a transparent medium, say for example a prism, it will get split up into 7 different colors, that is Vibgyor. As you see in the top picture, a rectangular glass prism is there. It is a triangular glass prism. When white light fall on it, it will get split up into 7 different colors. Now we will take the example of prism. When white light from the sun, white light means combination of 7 colors. When this white light pass through a transparent medium, that is a prism, it will get split up into 7 different colors. These 7 different colors are Vibgyor. Okay. So what is dispersion? Dispersion is the splitting of white light when passed through a transparent medium. This is related to light. When white light passes through a transparent medium, it gets split into 7 different colors. That is Vibgyor. Vibgyor. All these colors are seen as you saw a rainbow during rainy season. What happens during rainy season? How rainbow formed? When sun's white light comes in contact with water droplets. Water droplets are transparent in color. When the sun's light fall on this water vapor present in the atmosphere after rainfall, this white light enters in the water droplets. And water droplets are transparent, hence these water droplets splits this sun's white light into 7 different colors. That is Vibgyor, and we see a beautiful rainbow between the clouds or in the clouds. This is all because of the phenomenon known as dispersion. Dispersion of light leads to the formation of rainbow after rainfall, mainly in the rainy season. This is only seen during the rainy season because after rainfall there are water droplets in the atmosphere, and water droplets are transparent, and when sun's white light pass through these water droplets, it will get split up into 7 different colors and we see the rainbow. The rainbow is the example of dispersion of light. Thank you students.